Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hi, how are you today?
Hi, I am doing great today.
Did you have a busy day?
Yes, I had a busy day.
What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 today.
Did you feel tired this morning?
Yes, I felt a bit tired.
Did you eat breakfast early today?
Yes, I ate breakfast early.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast today.
Did you check your phone first?
Yes, I checked my phone first.
Did you exercise before starting work?
No, I skipped exercise today.
How did you get ready quickly?
I got ready very quickly.
Did you plan your day ahead?
Yes, I planned my day ahead.
Did you leave home on time?
Yes, I left home on time.
Was traffic heavy this morning?
Yes, traffic was heavy today.
Did you listen to music traveling?
Yes, I listened to music traveling.
Did you feel stressed on commute?
Yes, I felt stressed commuting.
What time did work start today?
Work started at 9 today.
Did you have many tasks today?
Yes, I had many tasks today.
Was your schedule very tight today?
Yes, my schedule was very tight.
Did you attend many meetings today?
Yes, I attended many meetings.
Were the meetings very productive?
Some meetings were quite productive.
Did you take notes during meetings?
Yes, I took notes carefully.
Did you talk with your boss?
Yes, I talked with my boss.
Did your boss give new tasks?
Yes, my boss gave new tasks.
Did you finish tasks on time?
Yes, I finished tasks on time.
Did you face any challenges today?
Yes, I faced some challenges today.
How did you solve problems quickly?
I solved problems with quick thinking.
Did you ask for help today?
Yes, I asked for help today.
Did your coworkers support you today?
Yes, coworkers supported me today.
Did you help your coworkers too?
Yes, I helped coworkers too.
Was teamwork good at office today?
Yes, teamwork was very good today.
Did you feel motivated at work?
Yes, I felt motivated at work.
Did you drink enough water today?
Yes, I drank enough water today.
Did you take short breaks today?
Yes, I took short breaks today.
Did you feel tired in afternoon?
Yes, I felt tired afternoon time.
Did you have lunch on time?
Yes, I had lunch on time.
What did you eat for lunch?
I ate rice and chicken today.
Did you enjoy your lunch today?
Yes, I enjoyed my lunch today.
Did you work during lunch break?
Yes, I worked during lunch break.
Did you relax after eating lunch?
No, I did not relax much.
Did you check emails after lunch?
Yes, I checked emails after lunch.
Were there many emails waiting?
Yes, many emails were waiting.
Did you reply to emails quickly?
Yes, I replied to emails quickly.
Did you receive any important message?
Yes, I received an important message.
Did you make phone calls today?
Yes, I made phone calls today.
Were the calls long or short?
Calls were mostly short today.
Did you stay focused all day?
Yes, I stayed focused all day.
Did you feel distracted sometimes today?
Yes, I felt distracted sometimes.
How did you regain your focus?
I took breaks to regain focus.
Did you use any productivity tools?
Yes, I used productivity tools today.
Did you complete your main goals?
Yes, I completed main goals.
Did you feel proud of yourself?
Yes, I felt proud today.
Did you stay late at work?
Yes, I stayed late at work.
What time did you leave office?
I left office around 7.
Was traffic worse in evening?
Yes, traffic was worse evening.
Did you feel exhausted going home?
Yes, I felt exhausted going home.
Did you listen to podcasts traveling?
Yes, I listened to podcasts traveling.
Did you call anyone on way?
Yes, I called a friend.
Did you reach home safely?
Yes, I reached home safely.
Did you rest after reaching home?
Yes, I rested after reaching home.
Did you change clothes immediately?
Yes, I changed clothes immediately.
Did you take a shower later?
Yes, I took a shower later.
Did you help family at home?
Yes, I helped family at home.
Did you cook dinner yourself?
No, I did not cook dinner.
What did you eat for dinner?
I ate noodles for dinner.
Did you eat with your family?
Yes, I ate with family.
Did you watch TV after dinner?
Yes, I watched TV after dinner.
Did you check social media today?
Yes, I checked social media.
Did you feel relaxed at night?
Yes, I felt relaxed at night.
Did you finish pending work tonight?
Yes, I finished pending work tonight.
Did you plan for tomorrow?
Yes, I planned for tomorrow.
Did you write your to-do list?
Yes, I wrote my to-do list.
Did you feel satisfied with day?
Yes, I felt satisfied today.
Did you feel stressed at night?
Yes, I felt stressed at night.
Did you try to relax yourself?
Yes, I tried to relax.
Did you read any book today?
No, I did not read today.
Did you learn something new today?
Yes, I learned something new.
Did you practice any skills today?
Yes, I practiced some skills.
Did you feel productive overall today?
Yes, I felt productive overall.
Did you enjoy your busy schedule?
Yes, I enjoyed busy schedule.
Did you miss any important task?
No, I missed no task.
Did you forget anything important today?
No, I forgot nothing important.
Did you apologize for any mistake?
Yes, I apologized for mistake.
Did you receive appreciation today?
Yes, I received appreciation today.
Did someone thank you today?
Yes, someone thanked me today.
Did you smile often today?
Yes, I smiled often today.
Did you laugh with coworkers today?
Yes, I laughed with coworkers.
Did you feel happy during work?
Yes, I felt happy working.
Did you feel bored at times?
Yes, I felt bored sometimes.
Did you try to stay positive?
Yes, I stayed positive today.
Did you handle stress very well?
Yes, I handled stress well.
Did you feel energetic all day?
No, I felt tired sometimes.
Did you drink coffee or tea?
Yes, I drank coffee today.
Did caffeine help your energy today?
Yes, caffeine helped my energy.
Did you feel sleepy afternoon time?
Yes, I felt sleepy afternoon.
Did you take a quick nap?
No, I skipped a nap.
Did you stretch your body today?
Yes, I stretched my body.
Did you sit long hours today?
Yes, I sat long hours.
Did you feel any body pain?
Yes, I felt slight pain.
Did you relax your eyes today?
Yes, I relaxed my eyes.
Did you reduce screen time today?
No, screen time was high.
Did you finish work before deadline?
Yes, I finished before deadline.
Did you manage time effectively today?
Yes, I managed time effectively.
Did you waste any time today?
Yes, I wasted little time.
Did you avoid distractions successfully?
Yes, I avoided distractions well.
Did you prioritize tasks wisely today?
Yes, I prioritized tasks wisely.
Did you follow your daily routine?
Yes, I followed my routine.
Did you skip any routine activity?
No, I skipped no activity.
Did you feel organized today?
Yes, I felt organized today.
Did you stay calm under pressure?
Yes, I stayed calm today.
Did you feel confident at work?
Yes, I felt confident today.
Did you try something new today?
Yes, I tried something new.
Did you solve a difficult problem?
Yes, I solved a problem.
Did you feel proud of achievements?
Yes, I felt proud today.
Did you thank yourself for effort?
Yes, I thanked myself today.
Did you learn from mistakes today?
Yes, I learned from mistakes.
Did you improve your skills today?
Yes, I improved my skills.
Did you receive helpful feedback today?
Yes, I received helpful feedback.
Did you give feedback to others?
Yes, I gave feedback today.
Did you communicate clearly today?
Yes, I communicated clearly today.
Did you listen carefully to others?
Yes, I listened carefully today.
Did you stay patient all day?
Yes, I stayed patient today.
Did you avoid arguments today?
Yes, I avoided arguments today.
Did you handle conflicts peacefully?
Yes, I handled conflicts peacefully.
Did you stay polite with everyone?
Yes, I stayed polite always.
Did you help someone in need?
Yes, I helped someone today.
Did someone help you today?
Yes, someone helped me today.
Did you feel grateful today?
Yes, I felt grateful today.
Did you express gratitude today?
Yes, I expressed gratitude today.
Did you stay humble today?
Yes, I stayed humble today.
Did you respect others today?
Yes, I respected everyone today.
Did you enjoy small moments today?
Yes, I enjoyed small moments.
Did you notice anything beautiful today?
Yes, I noticed beauty today.
Did you take deep breaths today?
Yes, I took deep breaths.
Did you relax your mind today?
Yes, I relaxed my mind.
Did you feel balanced today?
Yes, I felt balanced today.
Did you manage emotions well?
Yes, I managed emotions well.
Did you stay calm under stress?
Yes, I stayed calm today.
Did you feel hopeful today?
Yes, I felt hopeful today.
Did you think positively today?
Yes, I thought positively today.
Did you smile before sleeping?
Yes, I smiled before sleeping.
Did you brush your teeth tonight?
Yes, I brushed my teeth.
Did you set your alarm tonight?
Yes, I set my alarm.
What time will you sleep tonight?
I will sleep at 11.
Did you feel satisfied today?
Yes, I felt satisfied today.
Did you thank God for today?
Yes, I thanked God today.
Did you reflect on your day?
Yes, I reflected on day.
Did you forgive yourself today?
Yes, I forgave myself today.
Did you forgive others today?
Yes, I forgave others today.
Did you feel ready for tomorrow?
Yes, I feel ready tomorrow.
Are you excited for tomorrow?
Yes, I am excited tomorrow.